Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by enabling location and granting app permission. This ensures accurate coordinates. Next, pick your provider, built-in maps for simplicity or a third-party tracker for features. Once decided, obtain any API key or create the base shareable link template. You'll substitute coordinates into that URL. Make sure the link format accepts lat, long pairs. After this setup, you're ready to capture the device coordinates and format them for insertion into the link template. Now capture coordinates from the device. Use GPS lat, long, or a place ID. Once you have values, URL encode them and append required parameters like zoom, label, or expiry timestamp. This controls presentation and access. If using a shortener or redirect, prepare the redirect target with encoded parameters. Make sure to include any auth token if the provider needs it. Once constructed, open the URL in a browser to verify the map resolves and the pin lands where expected before sharing. Finalize by shortening or signing the link and setting expiry or access control so only intended recipients can use it. Share the link through your chosen channel and ask the recipient to confirm the location opens correctly. If something goes wrong, first verify device location permission and that coordinates were captured correctly. Then check URL encoding and any API or rate limits from the map provider. If needed, regenerate the link after fixing the parameter or permission issue and test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.